Intense global competition and increasing operational expenses are pressuring contract manufacturers and OEMs to speed production and control costs without compromising quality, system availability, or reliability. Panduit provides our customers a robust end-to-end solution for wire harness applications, accelerating deployment time while boosting safety and savings with application tooling, technical support, and global product availability. When our customers harness the ingenuity of Panduit, they tap into a 60-year legacy of leadership in wire management. Our engineering versatility gives our wire harness manufacturing customers a business advantage. Panduit works to improve harnessing for the aerospace industry, transportation, heavy-duty equipment, and white good appliances. Harness builders turn to Panduit's PAT 4.0 automatic cable tie installation systems for an efficient, all-in-one process. With industry-leading cycle times, the PAT 4.0 streamlines cable tie installation, increasing productivity. Additionally, our RealSmart automated termination system speeds the process of indexing and crimping connectors, resulting in consistent quality terminations with less need for reworking. Finally, our identification and labeling solutions, including our PXE series mobile printers, provide our customers enhanced productivity, reliability, and value. Our combination of engineering and manufacturing expertise means our full portfolio of solutions is broad and deep, supporting all our customers' wire harnessing needs. From our quick-build harness board system and other mounting fixtures, to abrasion protection products, to cable ties, installation tools, and cable accessories to terminals, ferrules, compression and mechanical connectors and crimp tools, wire harness solutions from Panduit offer the broadest range of options for the most demanding requirements and applications. Best practice methodologies, end-to-end support, and a comprehensive portfolio of solutions position Panduit as the leading provider of robust wire management solutions for meeting today's wire harness manufacturing needs.